children, as part of Learn About Jobs Day, you will each spend the afternoon with someone and find out all about their jobs, including mine.
Please don't let me get Mrs. Chen.
I heard that, Norman. Now, whoever goes with Mike will learn all about how to fix and repair things. Whoever goes with Joe will learn all about being a car mechanic. Whoever goes with Charlie will learn all about fishing. And of course, whoever goes with Fireman Sam will learn all about emergencies and rescues.
You'll even have your own fire helmet to wear.
Shh, shh, shh. I've already chosen who will be going with whom.
Please don't let me get Mrs. Chen.
Norman!
Sorry, Mrs. Chen.
First, with Fireman Sam.
Me.
Sarah!
Excellent! Oh, that is so unfair!
Hannah, you'll be going with Charlie.
Yes! I'm going out to sea. Woo!
Mandy, you'll be going with Joe.
Fantastic!
Okay, so it's just me and Mike Flood left.
Please not Mrs. Chen. Please not Mrs. Chen.
So, Norman, you'll be going with
Please not Mrs. Chen. Please not Mrs. Chen.
Pontypandy's very own
The tension is killing me.
Mike Flood.
Phew! James, you get stuck with Mrs. Chen.
That's enough, Norman. Now, off you all go and learn as much as you can about people's jobs.
Come on, firefighter Sarah. Let's start with a ride in a fire engine. Yeah.
Just gotta put this ladder on the roof rack, Norman.
Wow.
You got a cracking day ahead with me.
I can't wait. This is going to be the best day.
Ooh, sorry, Norman.
Right, Hannah. Lesson number 1 in being a fisherman. Knowing all the places you catch lots of fish. So, today we're heading out toward Pontypandy Island. I always get a good catch over that way.
There seems to be a lot of seagulls about, Charlie.
Ah, well, there must be a shoal of minnows nearby. Those seagulls do like a fishy snack.
Looks to me like he's eyeing up your salami sandwich, Charlie.
I don't think you need to worry about that, Hannah.
Charlie, he's definitely after your salami sandwich.
Huh? No, Hannah. If there's one thing you learn when you're at sea, it's how all the seabirds behave. And I know for a fact that seagull does not want my sandwich.
He's just taken it.
What? Come back!
Careful, Charlie!
Whoa! Call Fireman Sam!
Oh,
Thanks, Sam. I'm sorry I had to get you out on Neptune.
That's all right, Charlie. It was good to be able to show Sarah an ocean rescue.
it was great! So exciting! Too bad it had to be because my dad fell in the water.
Here's your captain back, Hannah.
Thanks, Penny!
Right. Is there anything more I can do to help, Charlie?
You haven't got a spare salami sandwich, have you?
Funnily enough, Bronwyn made one for me this morning. Oh, hey!
You see, Norman, when you paint windows, you always start with the upstairs windows first. Do you know why that is, Norman?
No, Mike.
So that if you drip any paint from the upstairs windows, it doesn't land on the windows that you've just painted downstairs.
I thought Mrs. Chen's job was boring, but this is like watching paint dry.
I'll have you know that's a very responsible job you got there, Norman.
Ooh, there's my packed lunch. I've got a chocolate bar in there. Nearly got you.
Ah!
Aha!
Oh,
Ah!
no!
My chocolate bar!
Help!
Hold on, Mike. Here comes Fireman Sam.
Help!
Oh dear. It looks like Mike Flood's in trouble again.
Do you want to press the siren, Sarah?
Yes, please, Fireman Sam.
Hang on, Mike. I'll be there in no time. Now watch this, Sarah.
I can't hold on much longer!
Nearly there. Gotcha. Bring us down, Penny. Well, Norman, I hope you're enjoying Learn About Jobs Day.
Not really, Fireman Sam. All I've done is hold a ladder and got my chocolate bar covered in paint.
Don't you worry, young Norman. Next, I'll be showing you how to fix a sump pump.
Oh, no.
There you are, Penny. Venus is all tuned up and ready to go.
Thanks, Joe.
She runs like a dream now.
Come on then, firefighter Sarah. I'll show you how to use a floppy shovel next.
Awesome! I really love being a firefighter.
See you back at the station, Penny.
Okay, Sam.
Alrighty, Mandy. Let's make a mechanic out of you.
Oh, it's my mom's car.
Yes, Mandy, it certainly is. And I'm very honored that she has entrusted me with her vehicle.
What's wrong with it, Joe?
Nothing much, Mandy. Just needs an oil change.
Okay, let's go.
No. Hold your horses, Mandy. We can't just rush in. We've got to do a few checks first. A mechanic always makes sure all the wheels are on the car lift platform. The handbrake is on, and all the doors are shut. Now, let's lift her up.
Ooh, I can see underneath.
The most important thing you have to learn when you're a mechanic is care for the cars that you're repairing. You always treat them with the utmost respect.
Joe, you did put the handbrake on, didn't you? 'Cause it's rolling off.
Hi, Joe. Just came to collect my car? Oh.
I might need to have it a little bit longer, Helen.
Huh?
Oh.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
So, everyone, hope you all had a really good Learn About Jobs Day.
Yeah!
It was great!
The best! It was garbage. Be quiet, Norman Price. You can't tell me to be quiet, James. I can, Norman, because I'm a teacher in training. And it's Mr. Jones to you. That is so unfair. Mr. Jones got the best job. But you didn't want to be with Mrs. Chen. That was before I spent the day with Mike Fly.
I heard that, Norman.
Welcome to my world.
I heard that, Mandy.
Well, there's one job left that James has to do. And I'm sure he won't mind if you do it, Norman.
Of course I won't, Mrs. Chen. Yes! So, what easy-peasy teacher job do I have to do, Mrs. Chen?
Just collect up everyone's reports, Norman.
No problemo! Here, you can have mine first, Norman. It's stuck to the paint on my hand. Oh no, it's stuck to this hand as well. Fireman Sam, I left my report in Jupiter.
Don't worry, Sarah. I'll get it for you.
Here's mine, Norman. Get it off! I can't see!
Careful, Norman!
Oh, dear.
Looks like you'll get to see one more rescue today, Sarah. Hang on, Norman. I'm on my way.
You're good.
Help! Help!
Well, I hope you all learned something today.
I learned that I want to be a firefighter, just like Fireman Sam. So do I.
Aw.
Oh, I learned that I definitely don't want to be a handyman or a teacher.
We heard that, Norman Price.
Audience, please stop eating and take your seats. I need to start the show. Boys, I asked you to sit down. You're not still munching fishy nibbles, are you?
No, Mrs. Jen.
No, Bronwyn, please don't bring out another tray.
I've marked out the fire exits.
And I've just finished the stage fire checks.
I guess we're ready for the Pontypandy Talent Show.
I can't believe they brought it back after last year.
Is this your car?
No.
Oh, this one.
Nope.
Oh, my back!
How about this one?
No.
Did you hear the one about spaghetti that wasn't really spaghetti? It was an impasta. Hello? Anyone there?
No.
Hello?
No.
Nipper, come here, boy.
No.
Oh, I've got it.
Oh.
This is your card. Oh, I definitely had it that time.
No. This year's Pontypandy Talent Show is going to run smoothly.
Norris, come back! I need you for the trick! Come on!
Or maybe not.
Welcome to the Pontypandy Talent Show. Everyone say whoop.
Whoop!
And judges, make a noise. Judges, if you like an act, make that noise and they'll go through to the final. So, let's start the show. The Sizzle Kids. You're on.
Let's do this! Yeah!
Norman Price, what are you doing back here? You're not on the list to perform today. I'm sorry, but I don't have room for another act. But definitely next year.
I'll get on that stage today and be the star of the show. Just wait and see. Mom, I need your help.
Oh, Norman, I'm not sure about this.
But Mom, I've practiced this loads. And once the audience sees me escape, I'll win the show. It's time for the Great Normanski. Go, James! Yay! Woohoo! Yeah, come on. Wow, I did it! Everyone, look! Why do I bother?
Hurry! We're behind schedule after one act. Now for the tango. She hasn't done anything yet.
Well, I could have done that.
The stage is empty.
Oh, no, it's not. The great Normansky is here. I'm going to pull out this tablecloth without breaking a thing. Oh, it's going to be spectacular.
Oh, wait a minute. That's my best china.
1, 2, 3. Oh!
Norman Price!
Don't worry, Mom. I have a trick to put things back together.
Help! Can someone help me down, please?
There. So, what do you think of our audience? Oh, that prize cup will be mine. Oh, mine.
Now on the Pontypandy Talent Show, it's Joe and his puppet, Delilah. Don't vote for my dad. He's so embarrassing.
Hello, everyone. It's me, Joe. And this is Delilah. Now, Delilah, what do you think of our audience? Oops. Cover your ears. I'll just be a second.
Goodness me! He's not doing the puppet's voice!
He's cheating. No!
Oh, please make this disappear.
Disappear, you say? That sounds like a job for the great Normansky. Hide down there. Abacazabacazao. Joe will disappear right now. Joe, are you there? Oh, Joe has disappeared forever.
Thank you, Norman.
Abba there, Kazaba here. Time for me to disappear. Ah! Oh, look!
And Joe, I suggest you and Delilah exit the stage too.
I would, but I can't.
Oh, help! Where's Fireman Sam?
Coming, Mrs. Chen.
And now for the last act, Fling It, Flood.
Radio! Fling and Flood here, and I'm gonna juggle all my tools up in the air.
Ta-da! Let's move it back, everyone.
Ready out there?
Mike, I don't think this is a good idea.
Mike, I think you should stop now.
You see, the thing is, hon, I know how to throw them up, but I'm not sure how to get them down.
There's only one way I can win this show. I'm going to make Norris the guinea pig float in midair. Norris, come back. No, Norris!
What was that?
Penny, turn off the power. Elvis, get everyone to the safe zone. I'll put out the fire. Whoa! Uh-oh. Huh?
Oh, my.
Where's Norman? Norman!
Sam, use this. It's from the cafe.
Keep back, Norman.
I'm sorry. We can't go on with the show. Everything's ruined.
Yeah, but who won?
We should have a winner.
Judges?
The winner of the Pontypandy Talent Show is Norman Price, the bravest star in the show.
And the great Normansky will be back in the show next year!
No. No more shows.
Okay, team. Are we ready to go through some outdoor rescue drills?
Oh, yes, Sam. I've got the floppy shovels. Wah! Yeah.
Well, we've certainly picked a busy day to do it.
Hello, Trevor. Hello, pioneers. What are you guys doing up in the mountains?
Hello, Fireman.
I've brought the Ponty Pandy pioneers up here to do their bushcraft badges.
Ooh, that sounds great. What's bushcraft, Sam?
It's learning how to survive in the woods and mountains, Elvis.
Ooh, I'd like to do that.
Now then, I've lined up some expert help to get you through your bushcraft badges.
Ooh, I bet it'll be that guy off the TV that makes his shoes out of twigs and twine.
You mean Wolf Anderson. He's excellent.
I saw the one where he went whitewater rafting in crocodile-infested waters.
I really hope it is Wolf Anderson.
Good eye!
No, it's Moose and Tom.
Okay, team, let's go and pitch our tents.
No, no, Trevor. We're not going to use tents.
We're not?
No, we're gonna make a bivouac.
A bivouac what?
A bivouac! It's a shelter, and we're gonna make it out of sticks, twigs, and leaves.
I'm going to get a wet butt. I just know it.
Don't you worry, Norman. You'll be bone dry in our bivouac.
But what about all this?
We'll find everything we need in the wild, even food.
So, I'll have to leave the sausages behind then?
All right, you can bring the sausages. Everything else we can find on the way.
Ready ho! Let us go! Wouldn't it be great to be a Ponty Pandy pioneer?
It would be marvelous, but you've been putting my foot out for the last 5 minutes.
Oh! Sorry, Sam.
Good job, Sam. A new course record.
Thanks, Penny.
Is it my turn now, Sam? I love rescuing Dolly.
Okay, Elvis. But remember, keep to the trail. It's quite easy to take a wrong turn.
Don't you worry about us, Sam. Me and Dolly will find the way.
Okay then, Elvis. Ready,
Ooh, I am, Penny.
steady, go!
Come on, Dolly!
Lesson 1 in Bushcraft, building your bivouac.
Ooh, Wolf Anderson can build one of those in 2 minutes flat.
Well, so can we.
Prove it. Yes, go on. I've got a stopwatch.
Oh, right. Well, no worries. Yeah, one bivouac coming right up in 2 minutes flat.
Go.
What? Oh.
Ta-da!
How long we take, James?
3 hours and 2 minutes.
Well, I suppose it wasn't too bad.
It was 3 hours longer than Wolf Anderson.
Sorry, I took a wrong turn. This way, Elvis. Oh, coming, Sam. Bye.
Elvis would never have been able to knock down one of Wolf Anderson's bivouacs. No, Wolf Anderson makes really good ones.
Shall we go on to the next lesson, Tom?
I think so, Moose.
Yeah, gotcha, Dolly. All right, team, bring me in.
Roger that, Sam. What are you doing, Elvis?
Sorry, Penny, but I was just watching the pioneers. They've got sausages.
Can someone pull us in, please?
Sorry, Sam. So, Bushcraft, lesson 2. When you're in the woods, you need to keep your food away from wild animals. So, pioneers, how do we think we keep our sausages safe, eh?
We could eat them.
Well, that's one way, Norman. But let's imagine We want to save them for later, eh?
Uh-oh!
I've got an idea.
What is it, James?
Don't let that fox run off with them.
Thank you, James.
So, how do we protect the sausages we got left?
Wolf Anderson says that if you put your food up really high, wild creatures can't get to it.
Does he now?
What?
Oh, no!
Yes, James.
The fox just took some more sausages.
I know, James.
We've only got 5 sausages left.
I know! Trevor.
And my butt's wet. This is the worst camping trip ever!
Right. The sooner we get the rest of these sausages hoisted up, the better. We need a bag and some rope.
There you go, mate.
Look! The fox is coming back!
Quick, Moose! Pull! Pull!
Woohoo!
Phew!
That was a close one. Now the sausages are safe.
Ew!
I'm not eating those.
Bushcraft lesson 3. Camouflage.
Ooh, Wolf Anderson is really good at camouflage. He completely disappears.
He won't be as good as me, Norman. You just watch this.
That's right, pioneers. Moose can melt into the shadows, become one with the trees. He's like the invisible man of the forest.
There he is.
Not quite ready.
I see you.
Not exactly invisible.
Yeah, I think the best thing would be if you all turn around and Moose will merge with the wilderness.
People don't have to turn around when Wolf Anderson gets into camouflage.
Ready?
Ooh, he really has disappeared.
Watch out, mate. I can hear a wasp.
Oh, it's in my twigs.
Don't make it angry, mate.
Too late. Oh, yeah. Oh,
I can see him.
Okay, Penny. Activate the inflatable rescue path. Now, Elvis, bring Dolly back. I'll keep the path steady. Poor Dolly's not having a very good day today, is she, Sam? She'll be fine once she's been rescued, Elvis. Now off you go. I'm coming, Dolly! That's it, Elvis. Keep your weight even. Hey, got her, Sam!
Bring her back, Elvis.
Don't worry, Dolly. I've got you.
Huh?
get off me!
What's that?
I think it's Moose in a camouflage suit, but I could be wrong.
Whoa!
Watch out! Oh no! Ah! I think I might need to rescue Dolly again, Sam. I think you're right, Elvis.
Right. Lesson number 4. Building a campfire.
We're going to be making the biggest campfire you've ever seen.
I bet it isn't.
It will be, Norman. Just you wait and see.
Well, we showed them there, mate.
That is a big campfire. Wolf Anderson would never make anything as dangerous as that.
Those sparks are setting fire to the grass. And the grass is setting fire to the woods.
Oh, no!
Stand back, everyone. It's floppy shovel time.
Fireman Sam!
You two put out the smaller fires. I'll tackle the campfire. Pioneers, I need as much water as you can get. Now stand well back. Whew. All out. Great job, team. And good work, pioneers!
You might not have got your Bushcraft badges today, but you've certainly got your forest firefighting badges, pioneers.
I don't think our bushcraft course went very well, Tom.
I thought it was awful. I I think you were trying too hard to be as good as Wolf Anderson.
Maybe we can just try and keep it simple. Why don't we all set up camp together?
Yay!
The perfect way to finish a day in the woods. Take it away, Trevor.
We are the Pontypandy Pioneers.